Okay, scroll to the Digital Collage with Procreate live download page. Tap on Show More and then scroll down to this link here. Tap on the link to open the page. You can now select all of the patterns here and download them. Wait for a moment for your files to download and tap Download. Then navigate to your files and find the Free Resources Collage album. Tap Select, tap Share, then tap Save 7 images. Navigate to your Photos folder and you'll find the saved images in your photo album. Tap Select, tap the images you just downloaded, tap Share, Add to Album, tap New Album, call it Festive Collage, and tap Save. And you'll find you've got a new album, Festive Collage, under All Albums. Alternatively, you can go to All Albums, tap Plus, create a new album, Festive Collage 2, save, and then add your images from there. Tap Add. Having all your images gathered together in one folder like this is going to make it so much easier to work more quickly when we do the live tutorial.